Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I could not upload a video from a very long time. So today I'm going to be uploading an amazing video. I'm going to be showing two amazing games and a special application that you can download in your mobile. So first is Spaceflight Simulator. It's actually a very nice game that you can download from Play Store. I would have given the link in the description. The second game is Minecraft. It's actually a very famous game and known by many people. If you want me to do a tutorial video how to download, you can tell me in the comments below, because it is a paid game in Play Store and I can show a video in which it is free and you can download it from there. So, and the bonus application is this, which you can see in the middle. This one, it is Round Light RGB. It is actually a very nice application. So this application is very useful for your phone. As you can see, I've already applied it. So this application brings RGB lights around your phone. You don't need to use any mods, APKs. You don't need to download anything. You just download this particular app from the link given below in the description. It is available on Play Store. So I'll show you how to use this app. It is actually very easy to use this app. So as you open the app, you will get this kind of interface. So first you get this space on the top, which is most used, will be empty. So you have to scroll down below and you have to just check on the enable controls. You actually have to enable controls. One is enable wallpaper and the other is enable overlay other apps. First one is only a wallpaper which is shown on the screen, but the second one is only for apps. It doesn't show on the wallpaper. So this is it for the first part. Second part, as you can see, there are three parts below here. So I've clicked on the second one, and this is the place where you can make your creative themes and you can apply it to your phone. So I've used the first one as it looks very good. There are hearts, like some bell shape, some circles, some smaller hearts, smaller circles, different things here. There are almost 10 defaults. So if you click on that, it'll ask you to create a name. So we'll just put practice. So we'll tell okay creative, and it will show you something like this. So you can make it a linear movement, you can make different run styles, you can make it reverse, you can choose different colors, and you can choose different styles. As you can see, it's here. You can choose dots, you can also choose these, you can also choose trees, you can also choose hearts, and here there is some colors, wallpapers you can set here, and some animation speed. The amount of speed the colors have to change, you can set it here. And some border sizes. So as you can see, the speed has increased, and the border size, you can adjust the size, and some radius top, and some bottom radius bottom, and there is here default notch hole. So we'll use notch, means it will split between on the top. If you use a hole, it will split here. And if you use infinitive, which is in my phone, you can use it like this. You can use v infinitive because mine is in v infinitive, and you can widen and lower the width. And there are different things here. So if you click on create, it gets created. So I'm going to use the first one itself. And in settings, you have nothing much. It's just rate app, feedback, privacy policy. Okay, so let's just exit this app. So I hope you understood how to use this app. It's very easy. So today I'm going to be telling you, I'm going to be doing two gameplay videos. One is about Minecraft and the other is about Spaceflight Simulator. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. Alternative days, or after two days, I'll be uploading one gameplay video alternatively. So today we're going to be doing about Spaceflight Simulator. So let's get into it. So this is the password. So yeah, and the game is starting. So it's actually a very nice game related to space. So we will get this kind of interface. So the music is actually very nice. First is written play. Next is video tutorials. You can go check these tutorials on YouTube. So as you can see, orbit tutorial, moon tutorial, docking tutorial, there are different tutorials. And this is the community where like there are different communities. And here are parts of expansions which you can buy from this app itself, but it's little costly. It's 19 rupees, and you can buy skins. It's the same as the before one. It's just 19 rupees, but the last one is planet expansion, which is more costly. Yeah, it is just 19.99. And here we have expansion, different expansions you'll find here. This is some options that you can expand. It's little costly, it's 49 rupees. And the last one is settings. This is not much important, and the rest of them are not so important for you. So we'll start up with the video here, and I've actually created a new one, so we'll just delete this and we'll create a new world again. So we'll just put the world namespace ACE. So we have put the world namespace. So let's create the world. So do you want, if you pay those solar system expansions and all, you'll have more options here. But now I'm going to click on solar expansion, like for default. There's something called build rocket. So you'll get some kind of graph like this. So this is the maximum size and width the rocket should be. And on this corner when I'm clicking now, this is the place where you can choose different parts. Here are some kind of exit menu and all. So now if you zoom in here, they've already given a tutorial here. If you want, you can follow this tutorial and you can go ahead with the game, but I'm not going to follow it. So we are going to build a rocket here now. So we'll remove one of these, we'll put it here. So this is actually a parachute which I've just put now. And next we are going to put a cabinet for, as you can see in the bottom right corner, all the information is given. You can read all the information there. And this is a cabin for the astronaut. And this is a kind of separator which should be placed here. And next we are going to start using the fuel tanks, which are very useful for a rocket. I mean, which are the main portion of the rocket. So we'll place two fuel tanks here, and we'll place a thruster or an engine, which can be used to power the rocket. We'll just place this separator. Its use actually is like it covers the inner part of the rocket, which like the thrusters or something like that. And this is another thruster. So we'll just remove this and we'll put more fuel tanks here. So we'll put one more fuel tank here. We'll put the thruster. We'll put another separator, and we'll put the last thruster. Last two or three of them. We'll just see how many can fit in the corner. So I've put this much, and at last we'll put this. So as you can see, a center portion of the rocket is ready. You can also make different rockets, like you can release satellites and all, but I'm not going to be showing that in this video. I'm going to be showing it in the further videos. So, and we'll put these things, they're known as the landing gears or landing legs. So, and next this is not much required now, so we'll remove it. So in this we're gonna add the external boosters. So this is called the slide side separators. So we'll just put it here, and we'll put more here. We'll put one in the down, one in the top. So now we'll start making the side thrusters. I mean the side boosters. So we'll put two here, two more here, two more here, two more on the sides, two more. Okay, fine, this much is enough. So we'll just put one here on the bottom, or we'll put a bigger one. Yeah, so we have put this much big. So if you want, you can increase the size in the bottom. It depends on you. So I'm using these small ones. Okay, fine, let's use these. And we'll put these thrusters here also. And you can also make a rocket with external boosters on this side also. You can extend this width. So I'm going to keep it like this only. Now we'll go to these part section and we'll click on 6 wide. This is actually more widened ones, so we don't require this now. And this is the engines, as I showed in the starting. This is a very common engine that used for thrust. This is the engine that can be used in the space, and this is the engine that also can be used in the space. So now I'm going to use this engine instead of this one kept here. So we'll just put this here, okay, and we'll just put the separator below this. Okay, so we've got a little problem here, so we'll just sort it out. So we have to just adjust this a little up. So we'll just, okay, so we'll just remove this aside a little. We'll put it here and we'll put this here. So we are done with this. So next, engines, we can also take these. These are called the RCS thrusters. They can be used in the space, like for bending the rocket. Instead of using thrusters, you can use these. So I'm going to be showing the use of this in this video. And we'll go to aerodynamics and we'll place this here. This first one is a parachute we have already used. The second one is a parachute that can be used horizontally or vertically. And these are some external parts that can make the rocket go more little faster. And this is like a compartment you can make in the rocket. You can make some room in the rocket, like to put some satellites or rovers or something, which I'm going to show in upcoming videos. These are some structurals that you can observe in some rocket launches. If you have seen real rocket launches or in any videos, you can see that there are structures put below this, but I'm not going to use this now. The main reason for this in the game is that they're going to show you how to use like rovers. You can make rovers with these and different things. So in other, you'll have some docking system here. So let's just zoom in and just check on these. What are these? So this is a docking port that can be used to disconnect two vehicles, and this is a landing gear which I had shown in the starting. This is actually a probe on which you can make your rover. So here we have some RCS thrusters again, so we no not much requirement here. So if you want to make a rover, what you have to do is you have to just take go to structural. You have to take these structures, put one beside the other. You can put them something like this. You can go to others. You can put some wheels here which will make the rover go front and back. And you can use this main part of the rover, which is a solar panel. You can put it on the top. So when you click on this, when you launch it, the solar panel opens and makes it move, like makes it charge and all. So for more parts, you have to buy this pack, which is a little costly. It's 300. It's not showing now. So we'll continue with our rocket build. So as you can see, I've built my rocket. So now let's go on and launch it, guys. So as you can see, now it's come to the launching area. So here you have two maps. If you click on that corner left button map, it changes into the map which shows you the planets. And if you see, we have only these many planets because I've not bought the premier version of this in which there are more planets. This is the map where you can see your rocket, and this is the map where you can see where your rocket is going and which planet do you want to go to. So currently I'm now in Earth. So I'm going to take off from here, and it's showing that my rocket is still on Earth and it is inside the atmosphere. So let's go on and launch the rocket now. So before you launch, you have to click on the engines, black engines, which I'm going to show now. You're going to click on it. One is on, two is on, three is on. So we're going to make it full thrust to 100. We're going to switch on. So as you can see, the rocket has started launching. So the rocket is kind of heavy, so it's taking time to launch. The main thing is you have to make the rocket lightweight so that it can go faster. My rocket is not so light. It's actually heavy currently. So this is how you launch the rocket, guys. So if you want to release these side boosters, you have to just click on these stuff here. So first we'll switch off these here and we'll click on this. Okay, we'll click on these two. So now the rocket is launched, but it got destroyed a little. So this is the way you can launch these rockets, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video I'm going to show you how to do experiments with this app, and I'm also going to show you the gameplay video of Minecraft also. So meet you guys in the next video, guys. Bye.